Halo semuanya, seperti biasa, sebelum menonton video dari Sela punya tebak-tebakan nih. Ready? Sop apa yang banyak anak kecilnya? Sop yandu. Teteteret, teteteret, teteteret. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sela Novi Selvia and my student number is 171104047. I'm from 6B class and I made this video to fulfill a final project from Miss Aulia as a lecture English teaching for young learners. So Miss Aulia asked to me to create the media to teach the young learners. So I choose this one. This name is pop-up book. So if you want to more about pop-up book, you can search in YouTube or Googling. In my video, I will not show the tutorial of create this pop-up because I spent many time to create this pop-up book. Over 5 days, I do it by myself, like coloring and drawing and everything I do by myself. But don't worry, if you want to know how to make this pop-up book, I will add the link description and there is the tutorial how to make the pop-up book. Pop-up book contains the story and I choose story of Prambanan or the legend of Prambanan Temple. So pop-up book contains 6 pages and every page has a different story and also the picture. So after this, I will show how to teaching the young learners using this media. So stay tuned and check it out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? Fine? Okay, good. I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Start now. Finish? Okay. Next, I will checking your attendance list and please raise your hand and say present miss if I called your name, okay? Okay. Bila. Okay, present. Rizka. Present. Gita. Okay, present. Arya. Okay, present. Dika. Present. Vivi. Okay, present. Okay. Everyone in here. So, before Miss tell you story, Miss wanna ask to you, have you ever go to Yogyakarta? Okay, Rizka, where did you go? Borobudur? Oh, great. And else? Prambanan. Okay, good. So today, Miss wanna tell the story of Prambanan Temple. So, close to me. Come on. Sit in front of me. Okay. Listen and be silent. Okay. Okay. The title story of Prambanan Temple. Once upon a time, there is a big kingdom. Do you know what is it? Yeah. What is it, Dika? Castle. Okay, good. This is castle. The name of this kingdom is Prambanan Kingdom. The name of the king Prambanan Kingdom is Prabu Boko. Prabu Boko is fat and also ugly, but Her daughter, Roro Jonggrang, here is, has beautiful face. She is very famous in that country. So one day, there is another kingdom named Pengging Kingdom. Prabu Boko had a war with Bandung Bondowoso. Bandung Bondowoso is son from King of Pengging Kingdom. So one day, Prabu Boko and Bandung Bondowoso had a war. Here is. Okay, do you know where is the Prabu Boko and also Bandung Bondowoso? Anybody know? Yeah, Bandung Bondowoso wear the red clothes and Prabu Boko wearing the black clothes. And do you know who is the winner from the war? The winner from the war is Bandung Bondowoso. Prabu Boko died, killed by Bandung Bondowoso. And in the next day, Bandung Bondowoso come to the Prambanan Kingdom. In Prambanan Kingdom, there is Roro Jonggrang. So they meet in the castle. Here is. Okay, here is Roro Jonggrang and here is Bandung Bondowoso. Good. So Bandung Bondowoso shocked when he met Roro Jonggrang because Roro Jonggrang has beautiful face, different with her father. And then Bandung Bondowoso want to marry with Roro Jonggrang. He said, "Hey Princess Roro Jonggrang, I want to marry with you. Do you want to marry with me?" said Bandung Bondowoso. And the princess know that Bandung Bondowoso is the person that killed her father, Prabu Boko. And the princess has the idea. She wants to marry with Bandung Bondowoso if the Bandung Bondowoso can agree and can fulfill the requirement from Roro Jonggrang. Do you know what the requirement Roro Jonggrang? Roro Jonggrang want to Bandung Bondowoso build 1,000 temple in one night because Bandung Bondowoso has a supernatural power, and Bandung Bondowoso agree with the requirement from Roro Jonggrang. And at the night, Bandung Bondowoso asked to his devil to build temple in one night. With it quickly, the devil can build the temple in one night. But in another place, Roro Jonggrang saw that the temple will be finished, and she very confused. She has idea to build Bandung Bondowoso plans. So Roro Jonggrang called all the women in her country to pull the rice and also make fire. She went to Bandung Bondowoso frustrated because his plan wanna fail, and Bandung Bondowoso guessed that the time is over and the devil go away from that place. Because Bandung Bondowoso now that is the cheating by Roro Jonggrang, Bandung Bondowoso angry, and she changed Roro Jonggrang to be stone to complete 1,000 temple like that. So there is the story of Prambanan Temple. Do you know what is the moral value from that story? Do you know? No? Okay. The moral value from that story is don't break the promise with anyone. Don't be a great man and don't be sneaky to others. Okay? Remember? Okay, good. Maybe that's all from Miss Sela. And after this, we will break and Miss close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, there is the illustration from teaching young learners using vocab. Thank you for watching and don't forget to share, like, and comment in below. Okay? That's all from me. I'm Sela Novi Selvia. Closing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah!